Hey now, and Happy New Year. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. It's been a few days, but I still think this biotech trade has legs into 2023. If I look at XBI here, and this is something I showed you on the chart of the day a little while ago, it's still holding up fine in this market. When the SPY is still chopping under most of the major moving averages, we see XBI in and around and above all the major moving averages. It's been in a long base of consolidation for 3 months. And we're seeing big moves in some biotech stocks like VRNA, which was on Dan Fitzpatrick's active trade list. And so I think XBI is definitely a trade that could be on for 2023. And if you think about it, a lot of these biotech stocks, they don't have anything to do with the Federal Reserve or interest rates. Isn't that refreshing? Now, of course, there is potential single stock risk with all biotech stocks. And I want to make you aware of that. Some of these biotech stocks individually could have something FDA related happen, and that could have a major impact on this or other biotech ETFs. But this setup right here is tight. Downward sloping trend line from the high back here in August, progressively lower highs and progressively higher lows. I want to see this ETF break through that level and do it on volume in 2023. And that's what I'll be watching for. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And you should see what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, and I hope to see you on the other side next year.